Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bree Marie. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is going to be an e.l.f. video. This is pretty much a full face using e.l.f. Cosmetics products. I asked you guys if you guys would be interested in this kind of video and y'all said 100% yes. So that is what we are going to be doing today. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to your girl's channel so you guys can see more videos like this. And if you guys are interested in how I created this full face of e.l.f. Cosmetics, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna go first in with the brow product, which is their Ultra Brow Pencil in Taupe. I think I've done my brows like since my very first video. I always usually have them done. It comes like this with a spoolie on it, which I like. Ooh, that's a hard pencil. Ooh. You know, my ride or die is usually Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, but we're gonna go ahead and give this one a shot. This is a little bit more rough than the Brow Wiz that I usually use, but I mean, the color is nice. So happy to be back on here. I took a little break. I went and saw my sister for her birthday. We celebrated in Sacramento. That was hella fun. I did her makeup. She looked bomb. And then I had to hurry up and do my own makeup. You know how that goes. Let's go ahead and try the brow gel. By the way, this is first impressions for me as well. I haven't tried a lot of these products, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go through the brows. What I've noticed is that the brow gel is much lighter, like way lighter than the actual pencil, which is kind of weird considering they are supposed to be the same color. It's kind of weird. Moving on. I did get some concealer. To be honest, I've tried this before and I love it. I love the camo concealer. I actually got a different shade though because the last one I got was too light for me. So this is in the shade Light Sand. I'm gonna go ahead and just carve out my brows. Let's make them look a little bit more defined. I got them done and it makes such a big difference. Like, I don't know what I was doing before, but I just love a really carved out brow. There's like nothing like it. Who's with me on that? How you guys been doing? I hope everybody's staying well out there and safe. I haven't been on here since my get to know me video, which is actually doing pretty well. So thank you guys. Thank you for all the great questions. I loved it. That was a fun video to make, something different. You guys got to know me a little bit better on a personal level. So this is the Putty Eye Primer Cream. It's crease and smudge proof for 12 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on my lids. This is what it looks like. I guess I could just use my finger. Ooh, this is really kind of not dry, but it's kind of stiff. Like really stiff. I'm gonna tap this all over the lid. That looks interesting. It looks kind of yellow. Now that I have the putty primer on my eyes, I'm gonna go in with this little palette right here. Just super cute. It's called Bite Size Eyeshadow. This is Berry Bad. And this is for $3, which is a steal. And then this is what she looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the shade right here and put that in my crease area. The next shade I'm gonna go in with is this one right here. Since there's no names on it, it's like a dark maroon shade. I'm just gonna put that on my outer corners and blend it into the crease on a Sigma pencil brush. Shadows are very pigmented. gonna go in with a smaller, this is their e.l.f. crease brush, and then just work that in, blending it out. I don't know if I like this brush though. It's not really doing anything. I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. This one. It's a very pretty like reddish magenta. I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. For $3, this is pretty impressive, I must say. This is big. The metallics are so pretty. Move on to eyeliner. I did get some. This is their Intense Ink eyeliner, Blackest Black. This eyeliner is $4, and this is what it looks like. Intense Ink eyeliner. Intense. We'll see how intense it is. I'm gonna do like a full wing today. I'm just gonna do kind of like a half wing. Just gonna bring it in like about right here. Pretty black, guys, when I go like this. That's pretty good. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think that that's pretty decent eyeliner, because I definitely think that's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, and then I'm also going to apply some lashes. It didn't look like they have any lashes yet that they have with their brand. I didn't see any at Target anyways, so I'm just gonna pop on some ones that I usually use, and I will be right back. I also used the e.l.f. Length and Volume Mascara, which I honestly really enjoyed. It comes with this little wand, and I actually really like it because you can really like get in there. I don't really like a big wand because I feel like I'm so limited on coating my lashes, but I really enjoyed this. Going back to the liners, so I tried to go back and do this eye, and I must say it is kind of flaky. It doesn't really like evenly apply on some spots, so if you're looking for an affordable eyeliner, then this one's the one for you, but I'm just letting you guys know it does flake a little bit, and like sometimes the felt tip doesn't really like go on smoothly, so just letting you guys know what's up with that. I did purchase this putty primer trio. I was very intrigued by this just because I've never tried any of their primers before. I wanted to try a few of them, mostly the famous one, which I believe is the Poreless Putty Primer, which is a dupe for Tatcha. And so I want to try that, but also the luminous one, and then matte in case like I do makeup on somebody who has oily skin. This is what they look like. These three little things. Pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the luminous on my cheekbone areas, and then for the poreless I'm just going to go ahead, because my pores are mostly like right here in this area. I also purchased this brush, which is pretty freaking cool. I didn't even see the end of it until I got home, but this is pretty much the Putty Primer Applicator. It's this brush. It's super nice. It's very soft, but pretty much what is pretty cool about this brush is that this side is for the putty primer, so you can go ahead and like dig into it without putting your hands in it, getting all dirty and with bacteria and stuff. I mean, that's pretty awesome to me. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my forehead here and tap her in on my nose as well, because obviously I have pores on my nose. And try the luminous one now. You guys see that on camera? That is beautiful. Okay guys, so now that I have primer done, try out this foundation, which is in the shade Sand, which is supposed to be light medium with neutral undertones. It looks a little warm. I must say I'm not a huge fan of the scent of this. It kind of smells like old lady a little bit. Alright, so going back in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, Satin Finish. I'm just gonna conceal a few things. This one does have a little bit of a scent as well. Kind of smells like paint a little bit, but Not too much. Okay, now that I'm nice and pasty, I also got the same hydrating camo concealer, but this in a darker shade because you can also use this to contour. And this is in the shade Deep Olive. Blend it out a little bit. Wow, this is really orange. I'm gonna use the Beauty Blender instead. I think I went a little bit overboard with the shade, but you know what, it's okay. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation to offset that, just a bit. That's a trick. If you guys ever go to ham with cream contour or anything like that, you put a little bit of foundation and it'll erase it a little bit. There we go. Like a magic eraser. Okay, I look hella bronze. It's okay, I'm gonna go ahead and lighten myself up a little bit. I also got this e.l.f. blush brush. I'm excited to use because I love blush brushes. It's nice and soft. This is e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Face Powder, and this is in light medium. It's $3. I'm just gonna go ahead and set it with my e.l.f. blush brush. Hopefully this will lighten your girl up a little bit. To be honest, I really like this little powder, just, you know, for quick touch-ups. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. Forever Sun-Kissed Bronzer, and I'm just gonna do the same thing with the perimeters of my face. And this is actually an e.l.f. bronzing brush, this one right here. I did do my lower lash line. I just went ahead and used this one, and then I did a black liner in my waterline. And now I just wanted to do a little bit of baking just to clean up my contour a little bit. I'm just gonna use some of this e.l.f. I'm just gonna let that bake for a little bit while I do blush. One of the things I did notice with that foundation is that if you have smile lines, they do set a little bit inside of them. Just a heads up. If you guys have any fine lines or anything like that, it kind of does like set in there. So yeah. Anyways, moving on to blush. I got this bite-sized little face duo. I believe this is $3 as well. Let me double check. They are $3, y'all. And this is in the shade Guava. Okay, this is what she looks like. Very pretty. Oh yes, that blush is very pretty. I really like that. Off the big. And now for highlight, I'm gonna use this one right here. And these are super cute. I'm gonna use a Morphe M510. I'm gonna do a little inner corner highlight moment with this little highlighter. I really enjoy the duo because then you get the best of both worlds. You get a blush and a highlight, which I think is pretty cool. For setting spray, I got this Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist, and it says it's up to 16-hour wear. Spritz her on. I really like that setting spray. It smells so good, and I really like the mist. It goes out like this. Ooh, fancy. Now for the last thing, which is Seriously Satin lipstick. This is in the shade Taffy. These retail for $3. I wanted to get an actual darker shade, but they didn't have any in this just because of the makeup look I knew I was going to be doing. But you know, it is what it is. We'll go ahead and use this one. That's what she looks like. This little plastic component. Oh my goodness, that is very bright. I didn't know it was so bright. Definitely does not go with this look. I will say it is very creamy, which is nice. It is very comfortable on the lips. This is my full face of e.l.f. What do you guys think? Do you think I nailed it? Do you guys like it? Does it look professional? Just to do a little overview, I was not a huge fan of the eyeliner as well as the putty eye primer as well as the brow tint, and the foundation I was not a huge fan of as well. Besides that, I pretty much liked all of the products. I think they're great quality and they're definitely affordable for anyone who's, you know, on a budget or anything like that, not looking to spend a lot of money. I really like the brushes as well. And that's pretty much it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this full face, actually my first full face of e.l.f. Cosmetics. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Also, let me know down in the comments which products were your fave, which ones were you not so excited about. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.